So where did we all start with coloring? I'll admit I did it. I bought an Instapot and RIT dye and tried to dye my own 3D printed parts. So when we talk about RIT dye, this is commonly where people start. This is going to be boiling water and some off-the-shelf stain. This is going to be considered a surface stain. It's going to lack biocompatibility certifications, UV resistance, and ultimately it is not going to be permanently bonded onto the skin or onto the part, so it'll leach off onto it. If we compare that to what the Dimension DM60 does, the DM60 in the most simplest of terms is a pressure cooker mixed with a Keurig. So it'll be a pressurized water vessel that has a cartridge for a color. We're going to put that in. Again, it can accommodate an entire batch of MJF parts. But this, under that elevated temperature and pressure, is actually going to embed the dye about 250 microns into the part. That means even if you scratch off that top layer, you are still going to see dye underneath. You're also not adding material to it, so you're not affecting the dimensional accuracy of it. And then also with the common theme here, this process is also going to be biocompatible, and all of our dyes do have UV inhibitors built in versus our deep dye colored parts. They are going to be permanently bonded, so they're not going to leach out into the skin.